Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. I heard it raining inside in the tin roof, but out here it looks like it's barely even sprinkling. Off to the northeast, I guess it is. Can't really see through the bushes here, but pretty gray out that way. Gray over this way. Lighter color up that way, way to the north. The weather has changed quite a bit. All the weeds and grass are growing like crazy. Flies everywhere. These little teeny flies drive you nuts during the day. They're everywhere. And then in the evenings and night, where you get off in the weeds over there, then you got mosquitoes. It's coming down a little harder. Barely even coming off the roof yet. A lot of square foot on this roof here. We need to get a great big tank or a pool back here. It would be great. Catch all this water. It's only good for a few days when you're watering the garden and stuff, but still, every little bit helps, I guess, right? That was the plan, Cindy. If we had the money, we're going to put a nice big bathroom here in the back, between here and the kitchen there somewhere. Then down below it, we're going to put in a screened-in room with like a pool, kind of like Philip has at his house, down the hill a little ways. And just to save water, have a place to go soak when you want to. Maybe someday. Need about $4,000 though to do what we need. Good luck on that right now anyway. Look how pretty all the plants look when they're wet. Got one big pineapple over here waiting. Not quite ready yet, but in that brush right there, there's a pineapple. Big one too, big Hawaiian one. Not yellow yet though. Nothing like a yellow pineapple picked off the plant. Nothing like what you buy back home in the stores. Except when it was hard and green months ago. Hey buddy, what you doing, huh? You okay? How about you, pal? Good boys. Yeah, you're a good boy, huh? What do you think, Butch, huh? What do you think? You're a good boy. Slight little breeze feels good. Nothing spectacular. A little wetter on this side of the house for some reason. Always is. We need to put a little screened-in porch area around every door. That'd be really nice. On the side over here, what we really want to do is I want to put in a 12 by 12 slab outside this door here and make it like our front porch and then screen that in. That'd be really nice. Yeah, nice breeze off my back here. Going in this way. Nice stones. Look at that, nice in there. Aloe vera is still doing good. I don't know what kind of plant this is. That's doing good. We got one bougainvillea still alive. Those are from Beth. Little dog's down there. How you doing, buddy? Down to 3 new little puppies. Got this one here. This is the one that just showed up all on his own. You're a smart one, huh? Look at this one. He puts his feet up. What are you doing there, huh? Look, it puts his feet right up. This is a smart dog there. I really like him. That's the one that just showed up at our house. We're taking care of him. He's doing great. Yeah, look at the feet up. That's such a good trait, buddy. I like that. How about you, huh? How you doing? Washing machine's been working great. Palm trees and throwing out seeds. Every one of those will start a new plant. We have no use for them, but Marife really likes this variety of palm there. Hey buddy, how you doing? One's kind of shy. This one's kind of shy. This is a good boy here, aren't you, huh? Yeah, look at you. You're so full of it. Yes, yes. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Wow, breeze feels nice. There we go. Finally a little thunder. Much brighter out this direction. That's the southwest over there. There's a lightning. About a mile away the storm is. Every 5 or 6 seconds is a mile between the lightning and the thunder. At least I thought it was. When a kid, we used to count 1,000 Mississippi. Mississippi, 1,000 Mississippi, 1,000. Used to count like that. 1,001, 1,002, there you go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, that's how we used to count when we were kids. We thought every second was a mile. 5 seconds is a mile. Boy. Nice stone, huh? That was a little closer. Only 3 seconds. That's raining pretty good. I'd call this a heavy sprinkle with a little wind. Look at the trees moving. That one was 7 seconds. All right, well, take care, everybody. I'm going to sit here and enjoy the rain for a couple hours at this last. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Take care.